guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I did a blue and like gold halo eye with a full face of makeup. Tonight we're going out for my birthday, so I thought I'd do a little extra glam. So if this is something you're interested in, if you like this look, keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to start by priming my eyes with a concealer and then setting it with my RCMA powder. And I'm just patting that in with a damp beauty sponge. And then I'm going to use the good old tape trick and apply that to from my lower lash line up to the outer edge of my eyebrow so I can get a clean eyeshadow look. And then I'm going to use this blending brush and I'm going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill Palette, this light brown color here, and I'm going to blend that into the crease and then a little bit above. Just make sure you blend that out really well. And then I'm going to go with this darker brown. I'm going to put that into the crease and try to keep it below the lighter brown. And then next I'm going to go in with this blue color called Twerk and a small blending brush from E.L.F. And I'm going to start working that into a halo shape. So basically what that means is I'm going to put the darker shades on the outside edges of the iris of my eye. And so I'm going to put the blue on this outer V area and then also in my inner corner of my eye, and then leave the part above my iris blank so that I can put a lighter color there. And then I'm just going to connect the two blues on each side of my iris in the crease here, connect those two together and blend that out pretty well. And it's okay if you get a little bit into that spot there above the iris because we'll use some concealer to clean that up. Then I'm going to use this blending brush and that darker brown color just to blend out that blue. I know it looks like it's purple here, but I promise in the palette it's blue. And I just keep going between the smaller blending brush with the blue and then the bigger blending brush with the brown until I get the amount of blend that I want. And then going with the small blending brush from Morphe, I'm going to grab this black shadow. I'm going to put that into my outer V just to darken up the edge there and then into the crease a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with this blending brush again that I used for the blue and blend out that black. And then I'm going to use this NYX concealer and a small little tiny Morphe brush, and I'm going to grab the concealer off the wand with this brush and then start patting that on my eyelid above the iris of my eye. I'm going to go in with this liquid eyeshadow and put that everywhere where the concealer is. And then again with this small blending brush, I'm going to use some of that blue shadow and blend that into the edge of the liquid eyeshadow so that there's no harsh lines. I end up not being happy with the way this blended together, and so I go in with a lighter shade to blend out that area more. And then I use this lighter shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette just to highlight my brow bone. And then I'm going to go in with this Estee Lauder foundation and pat that on my skin with a wet beauty sponge. I know this foundation looks a lot darker than my skin tone, but my face is always lighter than my body, and also the concealer will help with that. So I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape in light and medium and apply that under my eyes. And then I'm going to blend that into above my upper lip, my chin, and my forehead. And I'll set that with my RCMA powder. And I'm just going to wipe it away with this brush and then blend any extra that's on the brush onto the rest of my face. And then using that brown color, I'm just going to put that under my eye real quick. And then I'll use that same small dome brush that I used for the black, and I'm going to put that in the blue, and I'm going to create that same shape on my lower lash line as I did on my lid. So putting the purple on the outer edges of the iris and then leaving that inside space blank. Here's my black liner that I'm going to do a wing with real quick. And then I'm going to use that same brush that I used for the concealer and pat that on the wand of the liquid eyeshadow and place that on my lower lash line in the same spot as my lid. And then I'm just going to go in with my L'Oreal True Match powder and bronze my face. I'm going to use my Hoola bronzer and I'm going to contour my cheekbones. And I'll also use that to contour my nose. And then I'm going to just highlight some of the high points on my face, my cheekbones, above my eyebrows, my cupid's bow, my nose. And then here I'm using my setting powder to chisel out my contour a little bit more. I plan on doing a video explaining the whole process on this. So it looks crazy right now, but there's a reason for it. And then I'm going to line my lips. Fill them in with this Wet n Wild lipstick. And then I'm going to line my upper and lower water lines with a black liner. Then wipe away any of this powder that I used below my cheekbones. Apply some lashes and I'm done. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Kind of zoom in a little for you there. My blue and gold halo eye. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button down below so that you are notified when I come out with any future videos. And let me know, do you guys like this like more glam look, or do you want me to like tone it down and do some more everyday looks? Just let me know. Alright, thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.